In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to start a new sheet, build a form, and tailor the fields so your survey captures exactly what you need. First, open Smartsheet and head to the home page. From here, look for the option to start something new. Select Start a New Project, Program, or Process. This is your entry point for creating new sheets, templates, and other assets. It's the quickest way to spin up the structure that your survey will use behind the scenes. You'll see a gallery that highlights templates curated for different roles, including company management. Take a moment to scan what's available. Templates can be great if you already see one that matches your survey goals. For this walkthrough, though, we'll keep things flexible and build our survey from the ground up. Choose Start from Scratch to create a clean, blank foundation that you can shape exactly the way you want. Next, choose a new workspace starting point. Pick the workspace where you want the survey and its responses to live. If your organization uses workspaces for different teams or projects, placing your sheet in the right spot keeps permissions clear and files organized. Once your new sheet is created, it's time to build the survey form. Open the sheet, then select Form to create a new form tied to this sheet. Forms are the survey interface your respondents will see, while the sheet stores the responses in rows, one submission per row. Now edit the fields. Each form field corresponds to a column in your sheet. Click any field to open its field settings. This is where you set the label your participants see, add help text for context, choose the field type, and make the field required if it's essential. Renaming fields is important. Click the name and change it to match your survey question. For example, email address, satisfaction rating, or comments. Clear labels reduce confusion and improve response quality. If you need structured data, switch the field type to things like dropdown, checkbox, date, or number. Add short descriptions to guide respondents and consider sensible defaults where appropriate. You can also add more fields to capture everything you need. Keep questions concise, group similar questions together, and order them so quick wins come first. As you add fields, think about how the data will look in your sheet. Consistent types make analysis easier later. When you're happy, save your form and you're ready to collect responses. That's how to create a survey in Smartsheet from scratch, tailored to your workflow and reporting needs.